Now axis level. So if we zoom out this, so here axis level is place, BMI, legend is ACS, but we should set the level. For example, plus LABS, labs. Here Y is equal to body mass index, body mass index. X is equal to place of residence. And feel is equal to CES. ACS means wealth index. Feel is equal to wealth index. So if we run, yeah, now we can identify the name of indicator. Body mass distribution of body mass index, and the group variable is place of residence and wealth index. So we can compare between poor middle or poor rich or urban rural, etc.